Let's face it, mom guilt is real, but I have a plan that may bless your family this summer too. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And today I'm going to share with you our honest, simple plan for summer school. Because even when life feels overwhelming, having a little bit of structure brings peace, not only to your home, but into your heart. So I'm going to be honest, this season, every time I say this season, I struggle to just pinpoint a specific season. Our homeschool journey has been a big challenge. I was thinking about it today, and it's not the homeschooling itself, is my ability with everything that has happened in my life to continue and be consistent with every single subject every single time. So I have a lot of mom guilt because I realize that I have been slacking in history and science. But like no matter what we've gone through, my kids have done their language arts and their math. So thank God, at least they are above average and excelling at those two subjects. But I do feel guilty for them being behind in the other subjects or not knowing anything about a lot of things. Especially my son, who's entering high school, and his work is going to be more difficult, and I worry that I am not preparing him enough for those specific subjects. So here is my summer plan in order to get him as prepared as I can in the short amount of time that we have without having him burn out or feel like he didn't have a summer vacation at all. Even though part of the reason why we're behind is because they've had too many breaks in the first place. So through prayer and remembering that I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength, I have mustered up some ideas to make the learning this summer enough, but like not stressful. So we'll start with my son, who's entering 9th grade in the fall. He is on point for math and his language arts. I'm gonna make another video very soon with everything that my 9th grader is going to be using for his homeschooling journey in 9th grade. I am just waiting for everything that I ordered from the convention to be delivered to me so that I can actually show you physical copies of everything. I am in the process of creating a YouTube playlist for him that has science and history and note-taking and studying. So first he's gonna learn about the note-taking. Whatever I have, the Apologia, General Science, I'm gonna go through chapter by chapter, and I'm gonna find YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna have him practice his note-taking skills to take notes on the things that he's learning. Because also, I don't know if you know, that when you write things down, it helps your memory retain the information. So we're gonna do that with science and history. And what I love about YouTube is that there's so many videos that are engaging and entertaining, and it's not just boring, because studies show that when kids are enjoying what they're learning, they are retaining it. He's gonna continue with his pre-algebra math so that when we start in the fall, he can move up to Algebra 1 as planned. And he's going to continue with the Good and the Beautiful level 7. And we're gonna finish that off and polish up his writing skills. We are gonna try to do school 5 days a week, but it depends on our plans. We have a summer group where we get together and do things. So if the things that we have to do are in the morning, we might just not do school that day. It's easier for us to do school in the morning. So if they can plan something that's in later on in the day or in the evening, then they would definitely be able to have school and get that stuff out of the way so we can balance fun and, activity. And I'm giving myself permission to adapt this plan depending on how I'm doing emotionally. As for my daughter, technically, because of her late birthday, if she were in public school here in our state, she'd be in 3rd grade going into 4th. Now, because I had started her earlier, she should be going into 5th with homeschool. But also because of everything that's been going on, she kind of just started her 4th grade journey at the end of the homeschool year. So our plan is to finish her math and language arts for the 4th grade, and then we are going to be able to hit 5th grade in the fall on time. Now, she did score in the 99th percentile for math at the 3rd grade level. and they are suggesting, the test suggests that I put her in 5th or 6th grade math, which I'm not gonna do. We're gonna stay with the level 4 of the Good and the Beautiful that we are currently using, but we are going to, I'm gonna go straight to like the unit test and see what she already knows. A lot of it is redundant review, and then just move on to the newer concepts so that she can, because it says that the math I'm using might be too easy. And it's not that the math is too easy, it's just that the curriculum is really good for math and language arts. This summer for her, I'm also going to work through our Good and the Beautiful science units that I have back here on the shelf somewhere, because for 5th grade, we're doing something totally different so that I can prepare her better for science when she gets to be in middle school and high school. If your summer feels messy, chaotic, I mean, the mess in the classroom, I just organized it for you guys and made a nice video, and once again it has changed and there's a huge mess in here. When I came back from the convention, I got sick and I never got to separate my things, organize my stuff, and then I keep getting packages in the mail. So I have so many videos to make for you guys. I have our 5th grade curriculum choices, I have my 9th grade curriculum choices, and I have some parent books that I got at the convention for moms and dads. I also have some goodies that I'll probably just incorporate into one of those videos, and so much more. So if you're not subscribed, I encourage you to please do so. It does help my channel out a lot. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of those important videos. And if there's anything you guys would like to see, always leave it in the comments below. I try my best to record what you guys want to watch. If you're feeling overwhelmed and you have that mom guilt like me, I just want to let you know that you're not alone. You just need God's grace and a simple path forward. Create a plan that works for you and your family and make it flexible. Drop a comment and let me know what you're doing this summer or how I can pray for you. We are in this together. I also want to thank you guys who sent me prayers for one of the last videos that I made. I really, really appreciated it. Those really touched my heart and things are getting better. So I want to thank you guys for being so considerate. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.